Do you want to be an e-commerce entrepreneur selling products on Amazon? Then this is the right place to start. Selling on Amazon can seem complicated, but it doesn't need to be. Hi, my name is John Colley and I've been selling products and services online for nearly a decade. Now while you're here, don't forget to follow me so that you don't miss any of my new courses when they come out. This is an introductory course if you're new to Amazon FBA so that you can grasp the essentials of selling with Amazon. My next course after this here on Skillshare is a more advanced and detailed course, so you're starting in the right place. At the end of this course, you will understand what you need to do to get started selling on Amazon, how to set up your Amazon seller account, how to find products to sell, how to find suppliers for your products, how to get your products listed on Amazon FBA, how to drive sales, how to promote your Amazon business. Key steps, step by step, simple, easy to follow and understand. Watch each lecture in sequence and the framework will make complete sense. In the course project, I will show you a simple 3-step process for finding and sourcing your own products to sell on Amazon. Plus, you get all the slides from the course to help you as you go through it. I can't wait to work with you in this course and I look forward to sharing this great course with you very shortly. See you inside the course. Hey, what? You're still here? Great. I know you're going to absolutely love the course, so don't do anything else. Don't hang about. Hit that button and let's get started.